Hi Taurus, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Taurus, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Taurus out there. You can also check the monthly reading for Taurus. I will put the link in the description box, as well as you can now follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Both the link are also in the description box. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Taurus. The first oracle card that I've pulled for you here is Possibilities, and the second oracle card that I've pulled for you here is Cycles, coming up strongly here for you, Taurus. With the overall message that I've got for you here is Trust. So I'm definitely sensing that some of you, even like many of you here, Taurus, are definitely going through a lots of new cycle, definitely going through a lot of cycle coming up here, and where trust is definitely needed in this situation at this point of time here, Taurus. I do feel like for some of you actually have gone through lots of breakup or lots of like separation period at this point of time, where you kind of need to trust within yourself or trust on have faith with this connection, especially for those of you who are actually going through lots of twin flame journey. I do feel like you have been in a separation for a quite long time here. At this point of time, you're even having this doubt or even having this conflict within yourself, like will the union ever happen, that kind of energy coming up here. So with this Trust card coming up, this is basically time for you, especially with this new moon energy that we just got off with here. And with this Trust card, what I've got message for you here is that leap into the unknown, have faith and move forward, believe you will fly. So the message that coming up strongly here is actually taking that leap of faith towards yourself, taking the leap of faith towards the union, towards this connection coming up strongly here for you, Taurus. And I've got Possibility coming up here. So I do feel like, again, with this Trust card, Cycle and Possibility, all of these are coming up all together here. The message that I've got for you here is just that even though at this point of time things might not be things might not be moving as you want it to be or as you expected it to be, but just know in the possibilities, just believe in these possibilities, like the possibility of like the vast possibilities on how the universe or the angels, the divine is basically going to bring you and your counterpart and your divine counterpart together here for a union, for a reconciliation, or even like for a new romantic journey here for those of you who are single at this point of time. And with this possibility, the message that I've got for you here is that raise your standards, elevate your expectation, you have unlimited potential. So again, which is go hand in hand with this Trust card coming up here. You need to believe, or you need to trust in these possibilities. You need to believe or trust in this unlimited potential that you have, as well as the universe and the divine has here. And with this Cycle card, again, just confirming the reading here coming up here for you, Taurus, here is that the cycle that is basically you are going through here is actually the cycle that you are meant to be with. And as I was about to say Sagittarius, so I do feel like you could also be dealing with someone with a very, very strong Sagittarius here. And with this Cycle card, the message that I've got for you here is that have everything has its right time. Honor the cycle of your body. Take in time into the moon's magic, tune into the moon's magic. So again, this is just confirming the new moon that we just go through here. So all this new moon energy is definitely like bringing a new level of magic coming up for you here, Taurus. I do feel like for some of you, your intuition is definitely have reached into such a high new level here. And for those of you who are actually dealing with Sagittarius, I would suggest you to watch the Sagittarius reading, because I do feel like there could be some messages for you, especially for those of you who also have Sagittarius as in one of your chart, either in your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign coming up here. So with this cycle energy, the message that's coming up here is that for you to actually trust when things are going to happen in its right time, in its divine timing coming up strongly here, Taurus. All right, so let's get into your tarot reading. So the first card that I've got for you here is Ten of Cups. Wow, with the Four of Wands and the Fool card coming up here. So yeah, I'm definitely sensing like you are about to take into a new level of like into a whole new journey here with this Fool card, and it's time for you to basically like take that leap of faith, or take that trust and faith and hope into with you when you're venturing into this new journey coming up here strongly for you, Taurus. And again, with this Ten of Cups and the Four of Wands, you're definitely going, both of these are really good omen coming up here. And the bottom of the deck I've got for you here is the High Priestess, which is an indication towards me that you could be dealing with a Pisces or someone with a strong Pisces. If not, this is basically a confirmation that with this new moon, you have definitely reached into a new level of your intuition. So it's basically time for you to actually honor and trust your intuition coming up strongly here for you, Taurus. And with this Ten of Cups and the Four of Wands energy, what I've got for you here is that it's time for you, like you're definitely going to get I've got the High Priestess wants to come out here again. With this Ten of Cups energy, what I've got for you here is that you're definitely going to get your wish fulfillment. You're definitely going to get that reconciliation, happy home, happy family with someone. And with this Four of Wands energy, that's my personal twin flame card here. So you could definitely be dealing with a very strong twin flame, if not a soul connection here. And with this Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups, this is already a good omen for a reconciliation. So you're definitely going to get your union coming up strongly here, Taurus. And I've got the Ace of Pentacles coming up here for you as well. So this is basically an indication towards me that your person is about to reach out towards you here. Your person is about to communicate with you here. And with this Ace of Pentacles, and wow, I've got the Ace of Cups coming up here as well. So two aces coming up for you, which is already a yes card coming up strongly here. So your person is definitely going to reach out towards you here, offering you a new committed relationship, or like basically like a new beginning to be with you here, Taurus. New beginning in love. Like this new beginning is definitely not something that that kind of like wishy-washy kind of thing. Like this is something that is actually going to be built in such a strong and stable ground coming up here. And I've got the Ten of Swords coming up here as well. So I do feel like for you here, Taurus, you have gone through lots of betrayal, or maybe with this person, or even with someone else in your past here. This go back to your childhood, could even be in your families or past wound and past trauma as well. So I do feel like you have gone through so much of betrayal or so much of backstabbing in the past here, Taurus, that you're kind of having this hesitation, you're kind of like having this second thought within yourself, like, okay, should I trust this person, or should I trust this person, or should I go should I start a new relationship with this person, or will they even betray me? Like that kind of thought is definitely there in your mind here. But with this Ace of Pentacles, I do feel like the other person is definitely going to prove towards you that, okay, this is what I want, and with this I'm definitely going to be offering you something that is actually stable, something that is actually can be built from ground zero here. That kind of energy I'm getting here. And I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up for you. So I do feel like for those of you here, Taurus, you have been single for a very long time here. And with this Nine of Pentacles, what I'm also getting here is that the other person is basically seeing you in this energy of such a confident person here, like the boss lady kind of, or the boss lady, or the boss lord kind of feeling here. So you definitely, so they basically have been eyeing you as well. So I will not be surprised if you've been like you've been seeing them stalking your social media page, or checking out your social media page, driving past your house, that kind of energy here. So they basically have been eyeing you. They basically have been seeing you, and basically have been putting you in such a high pedestal here, Taurus. And I've got the Eight of Wands coming up here with the bottom of the deck, the Emperor's card. Wow. this is really a good reading here, Taurus. With this Empress card, what I'm getting here is that you're definitely about to step out into a phase of full of abundance, a lot of abundance coming up for you here, Taurus. The Empress card could also be an indication of pregnancy, so congratulations for those of you who've been wanting to get pregnant. I do feel like definitely going to get pregnant within this month to the month of August. And for those of you who don't want to have children, try to be careful and yeah, use protection. And the Empress card is basically also an indication towards me that yeah, again, you're about to give birth, or you're about to get into lots of positivity coming up here, Taurus. And I've got the Eight of Wands coming up for you. This is basically an indication towards me that again, things between the two of you, between you and your divine counterpart, is definitely going to take off in a quite fast manner, in a quite positively here. For those of you who haven't been in communication for such a long time here with your person, I do feel like with this Eight of Wands energy, I do feel like the communication is going to pick up and going to move into a positive way coming up here strongly, Taurus. And the message that I've got for you here is that back and forth and new supportive connection. So I do feel like you're also going to be you're also going to be gifted with a lots of new and supportive connection here. And not only that, you're going to get your divine counterpart coming up towards you, offering your reconciliation or offering your union. Definitely going to be definitely going to find yourself with a new support system, with a new friends within yourself here. And with this back and forth energy and the color blue coming up here, I do feel like you are the one who's actually having this confusion or having this indecisiveness coming up here, and the main reason for that is because of this Ten of Swords. Because as you can see here, this is someone who's actually want to move forward, but they kind of having this hesitation coming up here. And I do feel like for those of you who are actually having some kind of a throat issue, I do feel like it's time for you to focus on your throat chakra, guided meditation on your throat chakra. Basically just put yourself step back for a minute and meditate within yourself here, because I do feel like all this back and forth energy is coming up from the fear or from the lack of trust. Because at this point of time, you're basically being asked to take that leap of faith here. So it's time for you to heal any insecurities or any uncertainty or even any fear that you have within yourself, so you can actually just take that leap of faith into whole new possibilities coming up here, Taurus. Alright, so that's it for your reading. Thank you so much for tuning in. If the reading resonates, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.